The dislikes. What about the dislikes?
Today, we're looking at the most disliked videos on YouTube.
We're looking at dislike.
Well, I guess this is one list I wouldn't want to be on, and this list has actually been inspired by you guys who demanded this, and you guys demanded this because of the horrible flop by the YouTube Rewind video that recently came out. I mean, that sucked. YouTube's own YouTube video has the most dislikes of all time, and you won't believe how many they got in such a short amount of time. It's insane. And let me know if you guys were shocked by any of these videos on this list. Well, how's it going, you guys? I'm your host for this one, Landon Do Not Sing, and let's not waste any time here. Let's just get right into this one. So this right here is the top 10 most hated YouTube videos. Starting us off in at number 10, we have Masha and the Bear Recipe for Disaster episode 17, and it was uploaded by Get Movies. This channel has over 21 million subscribers, and this video has received more than 2.2 million thumbs down, which is crazy when you think about it. I think it's a really well made production, and the over 2 million thumbs down isn't that bad when you actually put it into perspective. The video has over 4 million thumbs up and has over 3.3 billion views, and this is all the stats at the time of this recording. It's one of the most hated, but it's also one of the most viewed videos of all time. With even more thumbs down, in at number 9, we have the Spanish YouTuber who made a video that gained so much hate. We're talking about Felix, who has over 5.3 million subscribers. A lot of people hated this video he made because he decided to break his YouTube award he got for hitting 100,000 subscribers. Is this real life right now? I cannot imagine doing something like that. I think it's pretty disrespectful, and I guess over 2.5 million people also agreed that he shouldn't have done that. It seems like he hasn't posted many videos in the past year. He's only posted maybe like 10 videos or something like that, and now he's posting videos about FIFA and stripping while playing FIFA with girls, and people seem to like those videos more because his videos are now getting 95 to 98% thumbs up. Moving into number 8 on our list, we have How It Is WAPA. This video was made fun of so much, and it was parodied so many times. The video was uploaded on May 5th, 2017. Okay, so I actually don't get this. I don't understand how 2.9 million people thumbs this video down. It actually has an 85.82% thumbs down in this video. I looked at the comments for answers, and this is what I found. Can someone explain why there are so many dislikes? I don't like the song, but I've heard worse. The answer was, well, nobody likes her in Germany. Alright, number 7, you guys will probably remember this one. This next song caused so much controversy for like no reason at all. Well, no reason that I can figure out.
It's Friday, gotta get down on Friday. Everybody's looking forward to the weekend.
Okay, did you guys know that video turned 7 years old and it was uploaded back in 2011? That's insane. We're getting old here. It has over 128 million views with 3.3 million thumbs down. In 2011, the video was considered to be the worst video ever made, but come on, Rebecca Black was so young at the time. She was only 13 years old and she was getting so hated on. I mean, at 13 years old, you're so vulnerable, and she probably felt like crap on how people reacted to this video that she made.
Partying, 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 partying.
I've watched it and I've heard way worse songs than that. I wasn't really annoyed by it. I was actually pretty impressed this 13-year-old was actually able to make a music video like this. Imagine being 13 years old. I mean, the world is a very confusing place, and then all of a sudden you're hated by millions of people and everyone is talking about you, even on mainstream media, on the news. So next up we have Despacito. Do you guys remember this one? Of course you guys do. The video has over 5.7 billion views, and I'm not shocked that many people would thumbs this video down. The video has over 3.7 million thumbs down, but when you look at the thumbs up, you don't really pay attention to the thumbs down ratio. The thumbs up in the video has over 31 million, so that's quite a bit in comparison. So actually, this video on YouTube is also one of the most thumbs up video as well. It has about an 89% ratio from thumbs up to thumbs down. This video holds a ton more records, and it is also known to be the most viewed video on YouTube right now. It almost has 6 billion views. I still remember that time when Psy's Gangnam Style video, it hit 1 billion views, which was the first time ever a video on YouTube hit 1 billion views, and it broke YouTube's view system. The Call of Duty Infinite Warfare reveal trailer received only 14% thumbs up, while they come into our list at number 5. The video gained over 41 million views, but it received over 3.7 million thumbs down. People just didn't like the gameplay footage. Some people said, I really can't remember why I disliked this 2 years ago. When people noticed the YouTube Rewind video was gaining a lot of thumbs down, people wanted this video to have more thumbs down because they want this video to beat the YouTube video, so people went back to this trailer and started to dislike it like crazy. But the YouTube Rewind video, it was way too powerful. It was OP, and there was no chance. Number 4 is a funny one by PewDiePie, and make sure you guys go subscribe to him. Hashtag subscribe to PewDiePie so he can stay ahead of T-Series. So PewDiePie made a video titled, "Can this video get 1 million dislikes?" And well, it did. His video actually hit over 3.7 million thumbs down.
1 million dislikes! Can we smash it?
I thought that was pretty funny and a pretty bold move for him to do, because I think it might have hurt himself. I think it hurt his algorithms by having so many dislikes on the video, but PewDiePie was brave enough to make fun of these videos, and it was well done. His video hit over 15 million views, which is incredible. Number 3, we have another YouTuber who received a lot of dislikes, but this time they didn't ask for it. We're talking about Jake Paul's video, "It's Everyday Bro," and he's still going every day. I mean, you gotta respect the hustle. Okay, so right now that music video has over 223 million views. This song was everywhere. The video has over 4 million thumbs down, and check out this comment on the video. Jake Paul, 5 million in 6 months. PewDiePie, 5 million in 1 month. YouTube Rewind 2018, 5 million dislikes in 48 hours. Those are all accurate stats. So although Jake Paul's video received so many dislikes, YouTube's own video passed this video in just hours.
Cannot be outdone. Jake Paul is number 1. It's everyday, bro. It's everyday, bro.
At number 2, it's time for the Biebs to come out. It's Justin Bieber time. He had one of the most hated videos for a very long time. And we're talking about the Justin Bieber video, Baby. And it was uploaded 9 years ago, which is so insane when you think about it. That was back in 2010, and it has almost 10 million thumbs down. I'm pretty sure this video had more dislikes. Everyone undisliked this video, so YouTube Rewind 2018 is the most disliked video. I wonder if YouTube would ever take this video down. It doesn't look good for them, and it seems to be attracting negative attention, which seems to be everything YouTube is trying to avoid. So finally, number 1, it's an obvious one by now. We have the YouTube Rewind video that is supposed to be highlighting what YouTube is all about, but the big problem is the big YouTubers seem to be left out of it. People like PewDiePie, Logan Paul, Jake Paul, Shane Dawson, Philip DeFranco, Keemstar, these are all guys that have made YouTube into what it is today. And the people I named are some of the most subscribed people on the platform, with PewDiePie actually being the most subscribed person on YouTube right now. And make sure you guys go over to PewDiePie right now and subscribe to him. Let's keep him ahead of T-Series.
Oh, that's hot. That's hot.
So people are just hating on this YouTube Rewind video, and you know what? I don't really blame them. Maybe next year they'll take this as a lesson and they'll make it better.
Oh, that's hot. That's hot.
Well, there you guys have it. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I'll see you guys all in the next most amazing top 10 video.